Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Oats-honey-almond porridge recipe for toddlers. Oats-honey-almond porridge recipe is a wholesome and a great meal option for toddlers. Here's all you need to make this easy recipe, which you can whip up in no time. Suitable for toddler, 13 months and older. Meal schedule, breakfast or lunch. Recipe type, main dish. Preparation time needed, 5 minutes. Cooking time needed, 10 minutes. Total time needed, 15 minutes. Ingredients needed. Oatmeal, preferably organic oatmeal, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Roasted almond powder, 2 teaspoons. Honey, used only for kids over 1 year of age, as per taste. Water, 3/4 cup to 1 cup. Instructions: how to make. Blend the oatmeal until coarse. Mix in the almond powder. Alternatively, you can churn blanched almonds to get a paste and mix it in the porridge. Add the powdered oatmeal and almond powder into a heavy-bottomed pan. Add some water and mix thoroughly to remove any lumps. Turn on the heat and cook the oatmeal and almond powder mixture on a medium flame. Stir the mixture constantly to prevent it from burning. Check the consistency, add more water if required and cook it until it reaches the desired consistency. Turn off the gas and allow the porridge to cool down to room temperature. Take the required amount in a bowl and add honey to sweeten it. Feed this yummy porridge to your baby. You can store the remaining porridge in the refrigerator for a day or two. Refrain from storing the leftover porridge if your baby doesn't finish it. Only store the unused leftover porridge. Recipe tips: add cardamom powder to the oats porridge to give it a distinct flavor and aroma. For older babies, almonds or other nuts such as cashew nuts can be added. You can slightly roast the nuts, chop, and mix in the porridge to add more texture. For younger babies, honey or any kind of sweetener can be skipped altogether. Cow's milk can be used in place of water if your baby is above 1 year of age. If you don't have ready-to-use almond powder, make it at home. You can dry roast the almonds and churn them in a blender jar once the almond powder cools. Do not churn the almonds too much, or they may lose their natural oils. For babies older than 8 months, you can skip churning the oatmeal and use it as is. Oatmeal honey almonds porridge is easy to make and very nutritious. So don't wait, make this for your munchkin and let her or him savor this porridge.